Yo, what's up? Terry here. I'm going to show you the 4 fundamental moves of shuffling. The running man, T-step, crisscross, and the Charleston. Let's go. So, the running man, very fundamental move, you got to know this for sure. Goes like this. Alright, now let's break it down. You start in your flamenco position right here with your right leg up. Then, the foot that's up is going to go in front, and the foot that's on the ground is going to slide behind. Like so. Then, the foot that's in front is going to slide back, and the foot that is behind is going to come up. Flamenco position, but with the left foot. And back down, and back up, down, up, down. And what you want to do is you want to be on the balls of your feet, so not on your heels, but on the balls, right here. So that allows you to keep a sort of a bouncy motion on your running man. And then slowly, you will build up the speed you need for the song. Alright, now let's go on to the last fundamental step for shuffling called the T-step. Let me show you how it's done in full motion and I'll break it down. Alright, now to break this down, you have 2 parts. You have the rotational part, which will allow you to move sideways, and you'll have the tipping part, which will be the other foot. So the rotational part is going to be like this. Keep your feet parallel to each other, and bring them heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe. So that would be like this. Now let's try with only one foot. If you're going to the right side, you're going to be on your left foot. So, like so. Use that pivot to allow you to move forward. And then if you're going to the left side, it's going to be the right foot that's doing the moving. Alright, and then, while the other foot is rotating to move to the right side, you're going to tip the floor with your right foot, like so. So now, the foot is closed, but then when it opens, I want to see you tip the ground with your right foot. So that's the motion. So you want to go like this, and like this. And then, you're going to close your feet, and bring this foot back up. Then open it, close it, open it, close it, open it, close it, open, close. And same for the left side. So you're going to tip it down when your right foot opens up. So now you're opening, closing, open, close, tip, close, tip, close, tip, close. Here's from the back side. So again, we're going to the left side, so it means it's the right foot that is going to be doing the pivoting and the left foot touching. So open, close, tip, 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 tip. So again, now we're going to the right side, so it's the left foot that's doing the moving and the right foot that's tipping. So open, close, tip, 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 tip. So right now we're moving on to the crisscross. So it's very, very simple. You have your feet shoulder width apart, so not too far and not too close. So really in line with your shoulders, nice and comfortable, and have a slight bend in your knees. And again, you're going to be playing on the balls of your feet. And what you want to do is you cross to the front, out, cross over, and back. The idea is that whatever foot is in front, so here's the right foot, that the next time it's the left foot that's going to be in front, like so. Alright, now from the back. So, same thing goes, you start with your feet shoulder width apart, and you're going to cross in the front, open, cross in the front, open, close, open, close, open. Close, open, close, open, close, open. So there is a starting position right here. So you have one foot in front of the other, and it's going to be, you're going to lift it up and then place the other foot like so, same starting position, and then you're going to lift it up on the balls of your feet and place it down. Then one more time. So starting position is like this, and up on the balls of your feet, down, up, down. One more time. So, starting position. You're gonna bring it up, down, up, down. Alright, let's do it fast motion so you can see it. So let's start. One more time. Alright. And now for the front side. So what you want to do again is have your same starting position like this. You're going to lift up on the balls of your feet on the front foot, and then place the back foot in front. And lift it up and down. Again, on the balls of your feet, do not be on your heels. Starting position like this. Lift up on the balls of your feet, and then place the other foot in front. And balls of your feet, balls